Hey, it's Rich Bergman here. I wanted to show you a deck that one of our customers built all by themselves using one of our really favorite products, and that's the deck foot anchor. And I'm enjoying a nice sunny day here on an otherwise hot and sweltering day. And this deck here the footings were put down between 9 a.m. and noon. And that's how fast you can actually build with the deck foot anchor. So let's take a look at this deck on a little closer detail and show you how you can do the same. Now the key to using the deck foot anchor is that it allows you to build your footings much faster than digging and pouring cement and waiting for it to cure. So what we've got here is a lower deck. You can see here, this is added on to the existing deck, and it was done so with 9 deck footings. So there are 3 beams running perpendicular to the foundation here, and then joist framing and decking. And the deck foot, if you're not familiar, consists of 3 different components. These components are this is the auger, a 24-inch auger, which most people will be just fine with. There's the deck plate, which fits on top. And then there's either a 4x4 or a 6x6 post saddle, which goes on top. And then you can adjust that to whatever position that you need. This drives in the ground beautifully with an impact, half-inch impact driver, an electric corded impact driver. I like the DeWalt. Personally, it's a very reliable tool. And this socket that we make actually is fitted perfectly for that hexagon head. So that's it. It's really simple. If you use this particular product, you'll be up and running probably by noon if you start your footings in the morning and have the site all prepped. And it's a great way for the average person to build a deck that's going to last a long time. This particular structure has gone through a severe winter, and if you can take a peek here, it's perfectly level, it's in great shape, and it's going to be like this for years to come. So that's the kind of performance you will get with this particular system. And if you're thinking of building, think of the deck foot anchor. Thank you for watching this video. If this was helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more content like this. For more in-depth articles or to check out cool new products, visit our blog or our store at DecksGo.com. And be sure to keep an eye out for us on Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest.